We're here at Handel's and there's a long line. Handel's ice cream. What did you order?
Chocolate peanut butter
Brownie?
brownie. Matter of fact, she was giving out lessons. If it was 2 years ago, he was there. Last year he was giving us stuff. So, no. You,
That's a huge ice cream. Is it good? So try it.
during the meeting. That's why. Right. And his dad is from Nicaragua. Ice cream.
You're kidding, it's gonna happen. Why are we giving me a hard time? Hello?
So I just checked weather and it says the wind gust is up to 32 miles per hour and it is very windy. Look at all these debris. We just passed by a big tree that got uprooted. It didn't even look like it was uprooted. It looked like it was just cut from the bottom. Okay, there's an uprooted tree coming up. Okay, here's my dinner. Our dinner. Okay, so it's been windy so lately. It's actually windy, very windy yesterday, about 32 miles per hour wind gust. light pole is down here on the ground. We got broken glass right there. So many trees, tree branches. Hold on, I'm gonna put it on. So many debris scattered all over the place from the wind. It was like, my phone said it was up to 32-mile wind gust yesterday, and I think Google says it was actually higher than that, like 40 to 50. So it was really windy. We tried to go for a walk yesterday afternoon, and we kind of just turned around because there's a lot of trees where we walk, and we didn't want to be hit by a falling tree branch. See here, there's so many here. There's one here. It's all over the place, and too many debris here. It's still even windy right now, but not as bad as yesterday. So there's a big tree coming up that kind of like got uprooted. I don't think the tree is uprooted. It just got cut from like the base of the tree and not all the way down. So it's coming up. I'll show that to you guys. Okay, here is the aftermath of yesterday's wind gust of up to 32 miles per hour, and we even think it's higher than that. See, look. We thought it got uprooted, but it just actually cut from the base of the tree. For scale, here's us. So crazy. Oh my God, that's like that whole tree. The down tree. Here is another down tree from yesterday. From yesterday's wind. Crazy. Came off from the root. That. It looks like it's rotted at the root part. So